Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words by, and by. By, and by are homophones, which means that they sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. By is an interjection, meaning a short form of goodbye, used when parting. For example, I have to go now. Bye. Bye for now. See you later. Buy is a verb, meaning to purchase something. For example, I want to buy a new book. She plans to buy groceries this afternoon. By is a preposition, meaning indicates the means of doing something or proximity in space or time. For example, the letter was written by my friend. I live by the river. To summarize, buy, a farewell expression. Buy, to purchase. Buy, indicates means or location. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.